Okay, so now to one interesting bit, formulas and small text. One thing you can always ask ChatGPT for is for formulas and knowledge and summarizing things. So for example, give me the top 10 most popular copywriting formulas. And he'll give it to you, and he'll even go ahead and give you a small explanation for any of them. But we won't stop here. Let's let him finish, and then I'll show you something else. He's talking about ADA, PAS, FAB, before, after bridge. That's very popular for Russell Brunson, for example. 4 C's, clear, concise, compelling, credible. I'll confess to you that I didn't know this one. 4 P's, this one I knew. I knew all of those except for the 4 C's so far. So let's wait for him to finish it off. Once he finishes it off, it's easy for you to come here and ask him to write a small text using any of those. So, for example, write me a small, convincing text about a product called Thin Today for weight loss using the formula PAS. Yes. Can you see here, the problem is stated. Are you tired of struggling with your weight and feeling like you'll never achieve the body you want? The problem is many weight loss products out there just don't work, leaving you frustrated and hopeless, agitating the problem. And then he goes out and gives like way more weight to the solution than to the agitation or the problem. But okay. But nevertheless, he followed the formula. So if you want him to rewrite it, just say rewrite it again, but write more about the agitate bit of the formula. Okay, the problem. Okay, this is agitating. It's still agitating. Yeah. Can you see that it now gave you like 3 phrases for agitation instead of just one on his original text? So that's how you can leverage this type of idea on ChatGPT. You can ask not only for formulas for small texts, but for formulas for headlines. Those, by the way, are much more aligned with headlines than small texts. And then you can ask him for small text, persuasive text, using a certain formula, and then you can tweak as you like the bits of the formula. So I find it very useful. And again, doing what I said I would do, let's organize it, formulas and small texts. And this is one of the most powerful things you can do right now with ChatGPT. And let's jump to the next one so you can see how to make it even more powerful, okay? See you soon.